Hello everybody, welcome back to Speak Easy with Neela. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today we are going to be learning how to say how are you in 8 different languages, including English. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on the notifications bell so you always know when I post new videos. You don't know how much it helps me. Let's start learning. As you can see, we are going to be learning how to say how are you in 8 different languages: English, French, Spanish, Mandarin, Italian, German, Portuguese and Dutch. Let's start with English first. Repeat after me. How are you? How are you? One more time. How are you? Good job. Now in French. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? One more time. Comment ça va? Now in Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Now in Mandarin. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Now in Italian. Come stai? Come stai? Come stai? Now in German. Wie geht? Wie geht? Wie geht? Now in Portuguese. Como você está? Como você está? Como você está? And finally in Dutch. Hoe had it? Who had it? Who had it? Amazing! You just learned how to say how are you in 8 different languages. Let's go over it one more time, starting with English. How are you? How are you? Now in French. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Now in Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Now in Mandarin. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Now in Italian. Come stai? Come stai? Now in German. Wie geht? Wie geht? Now in Portuguese. Como você está? Como você está? And finally in Dutch. Who had it? Who had it? Amazing! That's all for today's video. Well done, you did great. Remember, keep learning, keep on learning. Bye, see you next time.